Good morning. I was out to eat last night with the fam, and we went to this Italian joint called Andre's Italian. It's been around for a few decades, family owned. The first thing I noticed when we walked in, the hours were posted on the front door, and this is a Saturday night, and they close at 8:30 p.m. A restaurant that closes at 8:30 p.m. in the middle of LA. I was baffled, talking trash right when we walked in. Then you go in and it's a cafeteria style, so you grab a tray, you walk down the line. We did a half and half, so we got spaghetti and ravioli. The large was so big, we actually just got a small plate. I wasn't really that hungry. Then we check out. It's like $10.45 for a big ass plate of pasta, and this is the small plate. We sit down, eat, and I'm looking around and I'm just like, how is this line so long? There are so many people here, and they're closing in like a half hour, and it's all families. And then I see a sign over in the window for dessert. They sell gelato. It's like $3.50 for one scoop, $4.75 for two scoops, and it's homemade gelato. In LA, that is wild. It's $8, $9 for homemade ice cream, or this artisan gelato. So that was really cheap, and the food was really cheap, and it was all starting to click. These people close at 8:30 because they're catering to families. These people are busy because they're really affordable. You can feed a family of four for probably $20. And not only with the pasta, but you also get offered homemade garlic bread, side salad. We didn't even get it. We were already full. It goes to show how important it is to know your demographic. This family was so dialed in to who they were catering to that they could tailor their hours to their demographic. They tailored their price to their demographic. And obviously it works because they've been open for like 30 or 40 years. For me, that was an important takeaway because I have loan and own. People that I feel it's right for are people just like me. People in their 40s, they have a family, they have a full-time job, they may or may not have bad credit or a bankruptcy. I don't have bad credit, but I do have a bankruptcy. And they're just looking for some sort of side hustle. You might not even want to quit your job. I love my W-2 job, but I'm still looking for a side hustle that will eventually lead to financial freedom. There's a saying in social media, they say the riches is in the niches. I know it's called niches, but that doesn't rhyme with riches. And it means that the more you drill down, the more you focus on one singular thing, the easier it is to go viral or to get known as an expert in your field. And that's kind of what I'm doing with Loan and Own. I'm a one-trick pony. This is what I do. People hit me up all the time. Someone hit me up just the other day asking if I wanted a loan and own property in another state. I said, no, I only work in Little Rock, Arkansas. I'm not gonna get shiny penny syndrome and start buying property in another state because it's a good deal. No, I don't even think about it. And I learned the hard way with the $2,500 down payment. Miss Jaleesa, those of you who follow me know, I broke my formula. I did not get the down payment up front, and a month later, she left. You do one thing, you do it well, and then you can expand. You don't need 7 streams of income. That is the biggest bunch of bullshit ever. Most people don't get one stream of income right. So again, it goes to shiny penny syndrome. It goes to knowing your demographic. Do one thing, do it well. If it's not loan and own, pick something else. Start an Etsy store, but then own it, become an expert at it, and don't deviate until you are wildly successful. Then you can diversify.